to try our Bespoke Post nosing kit with a bottle of Four Roses small batch. One of my favorite bourbons. Not my favorite, but I do like it. So with this kit you get oak, caramel, brown sugar, black pepper, corn, and cherry. So me being new to the bourbon crowd, I guess what you do is you pour you some bourbon, smell you one of these, and put it in your aroma glass, swirl it, and see if you can identify these in this bottle of bourbon or whiskey, whatever you're using. So, without further ado, here I go. We'll start with, first, pour us a little bit. It says swirl it. Release those aromas. We'll start with oak, since we all know that bourbon is made in oak barrels. And it just says smell. Okay. Smells kind of like your high school wood shop class. So now we'll see if we can find it in the Four Roses small batch. Maybe a hint. Not overpowering though. What it is just oak chips. I don't know. Now it says take a small swig of your bourbon and chew it, they say, which is hold it in your mouth for 5 to 10 seconds before you swallow it, and then smell again. It should enhance your smelling. Very good stuff. Very, very good. I wish there was more of this oak. I'm not picking it up. It's not overpowering in this. I can't. Maybe I got COVID, but I can definitely smell that. No. Oak. A little bit of oak in this, I guess. I mean, slight. Let's see, next we'll try corn, because we know bourbon is 51% corn. It's kind of sweet, grainy. When I'm using words like grainy, like I know what I'm talking about. Definitely can, I think I can definitely smell this corn. Yeah, I think I can pick up the corn. Still don't know if I could identify it. Really, wish it would say if. Really don't say if it, what flavors it's supposed to bring out, but we'll go for caramel. I wish the caramel was in plastic. I don't know if I should take this off. It's wrapped in plastic, so I think if we take this off, at least a little bit. Okay, I'm getting a caramel smell now. Yeah, I think I am getting that. Definitely. Wow, I think this actually works. That is very caramely. Yeah. Wow. It's definitely caramel. Slight oak, slight corn. I'm guessing caramel. I think I need to open it up just a little more. So far, caramel. And maybe I am smelling the caramel because that's what's up front and not so much the... That is crazy. That is a lot of caramel there. So I think I could nose caramel now. Who would have thought? Let's go for the brown sugar. A lot of brown sugar. That's really, really strong right here. It's just brown sugar. I don't know if that's coming in focus or not. Each one has what they are on it. So then there's 6. There's oak, caramel, black pepper, corn, cherry, and brown sugar. I'm not getting a lot of brown sugar out of that. That's all caramel. Yeah, maybe a little. Then they give you a black pepper. Ooh, oh, I sneeze a lot when I smell black pepper. Nah, I don't think so. I'm not getting black pepper in there. And then we'll try the cherry. Looks just like some dried out cherries. Maybe a little cherry there. Now it's gone. Drank all my bourbon, so I'm thinking I've got caramel, slight corn, slight oak, and possibly a little cherry. I'm not getting no brown sugar, definitely no black pepper. In 4 Roses small batch. So this was my nosing kit from Bespoke Post. Give it a try. Get a little more. Try this oak again. When you first start smelling bourbon, I wonder if it's everybody when they first started on their bourbon kick. When you first smell it, it smells really alcoholic, but once you drink it, it kind of goes away. It don't smell so then you start picking up those scents. I think I do got the oak, or do have the oak, I should say. But there we go. Hope you enjoyed. Till next time.